Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to make an easy recipe. It's a white chutney, restaurant style white chutney, which you can have with idli, dosa, vada. For that you'll need coconut, one coconut, a small piece of ginger, green chilies, 2 green chilies. If you like it spicy, you can add one more. Salt. The secret ingredient is the gram dal, around 3 tablespoons of gram dal. Now you have to pour water, around 1 cup of water. You'll need to grind it and make it a smooth mixture. You'll need to transfer it into a bowl. And now for the tempering. In some oil, put mustard seeds, red chili and some curry leaves and do the tempering. You'll need to add this to the coconut mixture. And your restaurant style coconut chutney is ready, and you can enjoy this yummy chutney with idli, dosa, upma, pongal. Thanks for watching. If you like my recipes, please subscribe to my channel, and please don't forget to post your feedbacks in the comment section below, and please do come back for more recipes. Thank you.